the nature, God creation. I think half a kilometer means 500 meters. I came up from the second mountain, not from land. If I'm talking about land, I'm coming 3 kilometers up from the land. I want to go up more, but I'm alone here because my all friends are down. So I don't want to reach. Still here I'm coming for shooting this video. Look how much up I came. There, that forest, everyone is there. That is the height. Once I try to go up. Finally, I'm coming very up. Why am I breathing? You all understand what I want to say. Now I'm coming 5 kilometers from the land up to almost. Everyone is coming, but they are stay there for enjoy. Trekking is come to last to this peak point, right? So I came. Still I want to go. I don't know how much distance I reach peak, but I don't know how much. I hope half a kilometer is there, but almost I'm reaching up. Not that much difficult, but I tried. Look, when I'm in down, that is looking now. Look, everything is looking in sky. I think that's what I want. Goodbye, let's again. Almost that is the point. I don't know where. Oh, there is the reach point. I should reach there. Almost I am reaching. Okay. Finally I reached the sour jharna that is coming a water from down. There I want to go there and take a video and then I will return. That side I don't know. Super. Finally I reached there. That place, everything is happening there. Great. This is the God nature. They are enjoying the showers. I have to move from here. Now this water only going down where I came. This way only this water is going there where I am starting the journey. Almost I reach. Super. Finally I reached the peak point. I can't go there. There is no way. But you can look from up. Ice is the melting and coming. You can look there. Darkness this is. From here I have to back 5 kilometers. So I think I plan to move now. Some guys are there, so they are taking a. You can look how sweat is there. Really you can visual. I am the very big point. There is no up. You can look up. Nothing is there. You can look. Okay, bye.